find peace. I need you to know the truth before they erase me too.
What does that mean?
Incident.
Probably just a prank.
From history. But why?
Local student gets missing after taking
If this is real, we need to tell someone.
What if the people responsible are still here?
No. We finish what they start.
You finally found me.